Which is on our radar right now is NIIT Limited. Well, it's up 60% in the last 3 days. So despite the weakness in the mid and the small cap universe, NIIT Limited continues to surge ahead. Now, this is a company which is a talent and skill development company, which basically means that if you want to upskill yourself, you would go to an NIIT Limited. If you remember in the 1990s, early 2000s, if you wanted to learn about computers when it was new, you would enroll yourself in an NIIT Limited. Later on, the company also started training a lot of banking employees in the financial services sector as it became big. Now what the company is saying that India needs talent. India needs skilled talent in new areas like manufacturing, ER&D, in design. And that's the target area for the company. So they are looking at new fields. They're looking at diversification away from only IT and banking. And they're banking on these newer fields like manufacturing and skilling employees in manufacturing to help them get a job to drive growth going ahead. In fact, the company has set a fairly ambitious target. In FY23, its top-line growth was 340 crores. They're saying that in 5 years, FY25, the revenue growth will be 1,200 crore rupees. This is a 3.5 times jump and increase. This will be driven by A, the new areas, the diversification, skilling people in manufacturing. That's going to be a big focus area. In fact, they're saying that in 5 years, according to them, maybe 1/3 to or even half of their revenues could come in from these new areas. And secondly, they're banking on M&A. Cash in the books is more than 700 crore rupees, and the company has kept aside some cash for M&A to help with their, growth aspirations. So that's just one new thing about, NIIT Limited on how the company is looking to diversify their business model. In fact, we had a chat with them.